Hope you all had a beautiful weekend. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm only working with one screen, so I can't answer any chats at the time being. So for the DXY, let's make this quick. For the DXY, there's two possible scenarios, but I'll be looking for shorts. First scenario, this is gonna continue heading down, pull back and down. Second scenario, this is gonna pull back, retest this area and continue going down. If this area is broken and holds, we'll be heading up here. So by midweek, which I doubt it will happen, but that's a critical area around this around here. For the euro, it's the inverse. Might have a pullback, retest, continuation, or just a continuation from here. Same thing as the DXY. If it breaks, holds, look for shorts. GU, I'll be looking around these areas for a correction. Not more than that. Maybe I will not trade that unless if I see a nice pull, it breaks on the correction, I might take it up. Swiss, break, retest, continue, a break or up, but I will be looking for shorts. UCAD, shorts, to this area. That was a nice correction, maybe a break, retest, turn, continuation. AU, only buys. Pull back, look for a buy. Even if a deeper pullback, look for a buy. New, same thing. That's the liquidity up here. They will induce shorts, them to break and collect them. This one, we're having a correction in this area, so this liquidity has not been taken out yet. Even if you see here, it's not been taken out yet. So what I expect, a strong pull up and then a strong pull down to complete this setup. So when it reaches up here, I'll be watching it. But if it gives us a nice correction on lower time frame, I might take a long here. But don't miss this short. Same thing for the euro. Don't miss this short. This short can be strong or it can be corrective. But still watch this area. 120, 120, 500. Same thing like GU, break, retest. HA, still same like AU, heading up, pull back, buy, then we might have a drop or a correction. GA, not tradable. It's been from 2 weeks. As you can see, we're still heading down. Plus it's choppy. EA, we might have a nice drop till this area. A nice drop. So on any correction, take your short. Nice trade, rejection, nice candle, retest, and take a short till this area. This, as most of the euro pairs, this might be a correction or a nice quick drop to complete another setup. Silver, I've been saying buy till the 20, till around the 20s. So on any pullback retest into a zone, buy it. Gold, one more drop and buy. Don't miss this buy if you trade gold. Oil, it's been a buy from down here. So on any pullback, take your buy. Crypto, we're in this correction. So trade between these zones. If you want to trade it. Indices, it's still in a bull. So on any pullback, look for buys, but be careful with this buy. Maybe it's going to be the last one before either a major drop or a correction. So, but they will break. They will probably reach the top here or around these areas. As I said last week, if this is going to continue going up, the XY is going to continue going down. If this is going to drop, the XY is going to move up. Same thing for the Aussie pairs and the NZD pairs. So it was quick for this week. Is there anything you want me to check? Please feel free to type in the chat. More than happy to check it out for you. You're welcome, Michael. You're welcome, sir. You're more than welcome. All right, guys. So if you're more than welcome. Yes, sir. It will be. It will be AU and UCAD are the boom. As I said, UCAD nice opportunity. It just did the correction and a drop. If if you compare it to the oil, we're heading up, we're heading down. This might continue going down, just it does a correction, but for the time being, we're heading around this areas, 1.36. The euro, they've been trapping. A lot of retail traders been trapped around these areas. So maybe one more push up, a nice retest, and continuation. 100%. Exactly. 1.124. Alright guys, we'll see you in the chat. Have a nice week and trade safe.